Alright, let's be real for a second. Every year we hear about the next big phone, right? But this time, it actually feels different. Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be the kind of phone that makes you stop scrolling and think, wait a minute, do I actually need this in my life? Now, I'm not gonna lie, the first thing everyone wants to know about is the camera, and Samsung knows it. But instead of just bragging about megapixels this year, they're doing something smarter. Yes, you're still getting that insane 200 megapixel main sensor, plus a 50 megapixel ultrawide, a 50 megapixel periscope zoom, and a 12 megapixel 3x telephoto. Even the selfie cam gets a clean 12 megapixels. But here's the twist. Samsung has completely shuffled who builds these cameras. They're working with a mix of suppliers now, names like MCNX, Sony Optical, Logix. So it's not just one company handling it all. Why does that matter? Because it means more reliability, better quality, and no weak links. Basically, they don't want you to buy a $1,500 phone and find out later that one batch had blurry zoom shots. Insiders are even calling this setup near perfect. That's a big promise, but honestly, Samsung seems serious this time. Now, design-wise, things are getting interesting. Remember how the Ultra has always had that sharp, boxy vibe? Almost like it wanted to cosplay as the old Note series? Samsung's moving away from that. The S26 Ultra is going for a slimmer, more curved look. Still super thin at about 7.9 millimeters, but a lot cleaner. And the cameras? No chunky island like you see on the iPhone or Xiaomi. Instead, the lenses are stacked vertically, floating on the back, and it just looks sleek. It feels like Samsung is finally embracing elegance instead of flexing with bulk. But let's talk about the part you'll stare at the most, the display. And trust me, this one is wild. Samsung is introducing its new M14 OLED material system, and it's exclusive to the Ultra. This screen is going to be brighter, sharper, and last longer than anything else out there. On top of that, they're bringing in COE tech from their foldables. That basically cuts out extra layers, so the screen is thinner and less reflective. Long story short, this could be the best display on any phone, period. Oh, and get this, there's a rumored AI-powered privacy mode. Imagine you're sitting on a crowded bus, you open your banking app, and boom, anyone trying to peek from the side sees nothing. Only you see what's on the screen. Little things like that don't sound huge on paper, but in real life, that's a lifesaver. Now, for my fellow S Pen fans, don't worry, it's not going anywhere. Yes, there were rumors Samsung might ditch it, but leaks show a redesigned stylus that matches the phone's new curves. It probably won't bring back the old Bluetooth tricks, but honestly, just the fact that it's staying is good news. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra is a monster. We're talking the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, up to 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte of storage, and a 5,000 mAh battery with 60-watt charging. Basically, it's the kind of phone that laughs at heavy gaming, video editing, or whatever insane multitasking you throw at it. And then there's the software, One UI 8.5. Samsung's pushing AI harder than ever. Smarter network switching, new creator tools for video, a cleaner look overall. It's like Samsung is quietly upgrading all the little things you didn't even know you wanted until you try them. So, when you put it all together, the cameras, the design, the display, the performance, it's clear Samsung isn't playing safe with the S26 Ultra. They're swinging for the fences. And honestly, if half these leaks are true, this might be the first phone in years that feels truly hard to upgrade from. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.